What has someone said at a funeral that you will never forget? My son's best friend Tommy died in a car crash 2 weeks before high school graduation. Tommy had been at our house almost every weekend for 4 years, playing video games and raiding our fridge. The night before the accident, my son had offered Tommy a ride home, but Tommy said he'd walk. He wanted to enjoy the spring air. At the funeral, my son couldn't even look at Tommy's parents. He kept whispering, "I should have insisted on driving him." The guilt was eating him alive. We sat in the back row, and he gripped my hand so tight it hurt. After the service, Tommy's dad came straight to us. My son tried to apologize, but Tommy's dad pulled out something from his pocket, a crumpled note from Tommy's jacket. He handed it to my son and said, "Tommy wrote this the day he died." Read it. It was a graduation speech draft. The last line read, "To my best friend, who always offered me rides home even when I wanted to walk. Thanks for being the brother I never had." Tommy's dad hugged my son and whispered he loved those walks home. They gave him time to think about how lucky he was to have you as a friend. Sometimes the greatest gift at a funeral isn't goodbye. It's permission to remember the joy instead of the pain.